Hello guys, welcome to the course of Laravel 8 API Development Tutorial. This is part 3. Inside this video, we are going to install Laravel 8 setup as well as we will configure database configuration. So if I back to the official website of laravel.com, click here inside this documentation. This is the first video to start all about API development. So first of all, we need to install Laravel 8 setup. Now inside this guide, we will find two different ways to install Laravel 8 application setup. So for this video, for this course, I will install via Composer. So if I scroll down, as we can see that inside this documentation, we have a section called Installation via Composer. And one more thing, to run or create project via Composer, your system must have Composer installed. How can we verify that in my system Composer has been installed or not? So simply, if I back to terminal and type the command called Composer, pressing enter, as we can see that we are getting a list of commands and their description. This screen verifies that Composer has been installed in my system. If you are getting some error, or let's say the screen which is not something like this, it means in your system Composer has not been installed. So first of all, to create project via Composer, your system must have Composer installed. So I assume for this video is that your system must have Composer. So to copy this command, back to terminal. Now currently we are inside var www html and Laravel folder. You can choose your own path. Now here is the command Composer create project Laravel / Laravel, and I will name the project here something, let's say Laravel underscore or Laravel -API. This is the project name. So simply I'm pressing enter. Now as we can see that the installation has been started and it is installing the version 8.5.14. So we need to wait for a while. And successfully, as we can see that the installation has been finished. So if we go inside this directory structure, now inside this Laravel folder, here is the folder what we have installed. So if I open this folder into VS Code, you can open this folder inside any of your favorite editor. So successfully we have installed. Now in the next, we need to connect with a database. So first of all, we need a database. So for that, we will go inside this phpMyAdmin, click on databases, and let's say that Laravel _API. So if I press enter, database created successfully. Right now there is no table. Back to editor. I am opening .env file because as we know that to connect database, we normally use .env file. It stands for environment variable files. Now inside this file, we will see all these variables like db_connection, host, port, database, username, and the password. So simply inside this database, I will pass the name what we have created called Laravel _API. In my case, the username is something admin and the password is something admin at 123. In your case, it may be different. So successfully now we have connected the database to this application. Now next, how can we run this application to browser? So simply go to terminal. We need to go inside our project setup. So as we know that we have created cd laravel -auth, I think API, this is the folder what we have created, and simply to start development server, simply type php artisan serve. So it will start the project into our development server at the port 8000. So if I press enter, Now as we can see that this is our development server which is started at 8000 port. So simply if I open link, it will go into the browser, and as we can see that successfully we have installed the Laravel 8 setup into our local system. Now in the next video, we will see the basic concept like controller, model, routes, seeder, migration, these all basic concepts from the next video. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.